Here, do you want to say something to the camera?
Far.
Oh, I want to show them. There we go. Wow.
I have also just come to another horrifying realization, is that I forgot my bamboobies.
Wait, is it me? I farted.
No. Oh, well, that's not, it's your BO, but thank you for that.
Wait, really? It's not my BO. There's no way.
It's not my BO.
Oh, good morning, guys. So, it is about 7 a.m., maybe a little bit less than 7 a.m. So, Ocean is still sleeping. Of course, the morning that we sleep in, or don't sleep in, he sleeps in. That's just how it happens, right, parents out there? But I'm fixing the box right now. I've made quite a mess, but I'm redoing all the wiring. But guys, this part came out like professional. Oh, look at the glare. Look at the glare. I'm really proud of it, but I'll give you an update as soon as I'm done. I should be done in the next 20 minutes. I should be ready to go. It's gonna be amazing. I built a bunch of them for Big Time Rush back in the day for touring and stuff, but not as good as this. This is a good version. Guys, stand by. Montage. Alexa just said, "This is how I know that my birthday is over." Wow, those things died real quick.
Well, I'm gonna pull the water out.
Never buy roses at Costco.
Well, here, the problem with these roses are they have thorns all over them.
Aw.
So do I want to put... Oh!
What happened?
Maggots.
Really? What did you put in there?
Nothing. Trash.
Good morning, Ocean. What kind of book is that?
Oh, is that a spy book?
Oh, do you want to do the I Spy?
He's obsessed with me.
Loves mommy, loves I Spy. Daddy can just eat it. One day he'll want to play video games. He'll be like, "Daddy, you make the coolest things. I want to be your best friend."
Let's sit right now.
After a whole morning of doing some surgery on this thing, it's 11:30, so at least 2-3 hours. Babe, it is done. It is finished. It is done.
It is finished.
Check it out.
Very sleek.
What do you think?
Very.
And this right here, wireless charging. You just set your phone on it like that, charges it.
Very cool. I don't understand something.
What?
You said that you wanted a laser cut, but for what?
No, I'm saying that I want to laser cut, eventually get this laser cut, like get a nice thick.
So it's not you like...
It's literally like a thick foam.
Got it.
Let me just show you this, look. It's all powered by one cord.
So impressive, babe. So impressive.
Come on now.
And it's that really pretty cement color.
Yeah, I don't want to tell you how much this box cost me, but let's just say that I got the I got the Xbox on sale for $150.
No Spend September's been going great.
No,
I'm just kidding.
I bought this before.
All before.
Okay, so breaking down the box, because Alexis said that we should. The box itself, I got it on sale. It was $200. Boom. The screen was $330. Boom. The Bose was $150. The wireless charging came with two, was $40. The Nintendo Switch, which I already had, was $300. The Xbox was $150 because it was on sale at Costco. And the Power Surge was, what is it, $6. And I think that's everything.
For a grand total up.
Now what's the grand total?
There's that.
What you get for $1,200.
But that's if you bought everything brand new. If you went on Craigslist or you already have some of this stuff,
Yeah.
you could probably make a box like this.
Absolutely.
For like $600.
I mean, yeah, I mean, it cost us because we had a lot of it. I think I spent $600 on it, $600 or $700.
There you go.
But now we're gonna get to go on set and have this. And the best part, look at this. Look at this. The best part is, where's that piece? It's this guy right here. This is the final, like to see if it really does work, if it closes.
Oh, it doesn't shut.
It shuts. Look at that. Perfectly.
Hold on.
Let's hope that that didn't do anything bad. But it closed. Now let's open it up and see if it still works. Boom! Dude, this is like, okay.
It's really pretty.
I've made these before. This is the best one.
Really?
Yeah, I'm really proud of it. Until next time.
I'm proud
Thanks,
of you, babe.
folks. Your $1,200
Alright, I made Carlos a really nice salad.
I'm gonna eat right
I don't know why I'm eating a bar. Probably because it tastes like a candy bar. Not a plug, just a really awesome bar. Aloha bars, guys.
The fact that we
That's
always
my
say
jam.
that, this is not a sponsored.
I know, right? Listen, we only work with people that we actually believe in, companies that we like, and things that we use. We don't ever do anything that we don't believe in. However,
Just to make money.
and it's not just to make money. However, I would totally work with these people. I'm just gonna put that out there. No, but for real, I eat these every day. They're really, really good. So if you guys are looking for a really good vegan option and an organic option, these Aloha bars have been good. I don't like the other flavors though. I only like chocolate peanut butter. The vanilla was not a huge fan of. Just saying.
We're testing the Nintendo Switch. Totally works. How great is this gonna be on set? Oh, dude. Are you happy? Is that your farm? Because mine looks nothing like
Trying to
that.
get home before midnight.
Okay, baby, you get home before midnight. We're off to the Hashimotos. 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 How would you do that? We're off to the Hashimotos.
The wonderful Hashimotos.
No.
No?
Take two. We're off to the Hashimotos.
Hashimotos. We're off to see Tay-Tay.
We're off to the Hashimotos. They're gonna make lots of cocos.
And cut pineapple the wrong way. Oh! Carlos.
I'm really thinking about this because I feel like it would be a great way to drive out of here. We're off to the Hashimotos to play with the lots of cocos. Off to the Hashimotos, they're gonna make how many cocos. We're off to the Hashimotos.
I wonder if there's a better,
Rhyme. Well, if you guys didn't know, we are off to the Hashimotos. We're gonna go hang out and
we're off to see David, Timmy, Arthur, and Amanda, or we're off to see...
no, too many words.
Off to see David.
Can I get the camera to stay? It's probably gonna go in this bump.
Arthur,
I'll hold
Tammy,
it.
and Amanda. I'm gonna pump.
Oh, okay. Well, the camera moved, so
Well,
off to the Hashimotos. Look at Tay-Tay.
that's Ocean's future wife. Just get a good look at her.
Ocean, what do you think?
Is he sleeping?
Yeah, his poor cheek.
Breaks my heart. As a mama, I can handle that.
Tay-Tay's still waving.
She's waiting for us to get out of the car.
Okay, go for it. Give her a hug. See what she does. Sweetest family.
The next morning.
Well, this ended up being a very happy accident. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. We got home super late last night from the house, and it was so much fun. We played so many good games, but of course Kingston was up really, really early. And normally I would just be playing inside the house with him, but the farmer's market is this morning, so I figured I would just go pick up my I have a turmeric tonic on order, which is like super, super good for your gut, for just inflammation, getting stuff out of your system. So I'm gonna go pick up our turmeric tonic and then maybe any other goodies from the local farmers in this area. Hold on, buddy. I don't want the camera to fall. I'm gonna back up out of here. Hopefully I do not hit. We have a lot of chickens on our property, so I always have to be careful. I'm driving. Okay, buddy, I'm going. So I'm not sure if I shared in the video when I was in the car before the farmer's market, which again, I did film at the farmer's market, I'm so sorry. However, the reason why I left is because everybody was still sleeping. And, oh, except for my dad. My dad is up now. But I ended up just getting up super early because this guy wakes up early all the time, and on Saturdays, since there is the farmer's market, I was able to go this morning, so it was good. I got all of my goodies. If you guys have local farmer's markets, do it. Support your local farmers. Go get some delicious goodies. Hopefully they make everything nice and organic and good. But it's nice to just have all that fresh stuff and know that it literally came out of like my neighbor's backyard. It's pretty awesome. Is Daddy up and playing with you?
Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Yeah.
How strong you are.
Oh, whoa, you're so strong.
He's so sweet. Do you love your dada? Oh, bye.
Hey, let's have a little seat real quick. Let's just rest your legs. That was it.
We stood for a long time. Oh no. Oh
Okay,
no.
Okay.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Are you cuddling your dada? Oh. Like Ocean, get the camera out of my face.
No. Did you take the camera this morning?
Yeah, but I didn't film the farmer's market.
Oh.
I get too embarrassed, one, especially about myself. And then I also had Kingston, and you carry everything.
Filming it.
So I took it, but I spoke in the car a little bit.
Oh, okay, good. That's good.
I spoke in the car a little
Hey,
bit.
you're
I'm
getting
making
better.
an effort.
I know you guys want to see more of her, so I am trying to encourage her.
Yeah, you know what? I shouldn't get embarrassed. What do I have to worry about?
People
Who
do it
I
with
have to please?
their phones all the time. This is just a bigger phone.
Are you looking at Mommy? What are you Mama talking? Do you hear Mama talking? Hi, Pumpkin. Yeah.
What from you?
I love you. I know. Have a kiss. Have a kiss, please. Oh! Oh, do you see the camera? What is that? And Oceanito's also passed out. Still good.
Kind of
Good. He needed sleep.
He was exhausted. You know what? I'm sorry that we didn't film anything at the Hashimotos last night.
We didn't?
Nothing. I just like forgot about the camera, but we played zombies, 4-player, until
We were supposed to be playing Nerds all night last night.
Until 9:30. That's not
You
late
guys
at
played
all.
zombies for an hour and a half.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. It was really there was nothing happened.
There was like a 7-year-old child playing
And a 22-year-old kid.
and a 22-year-old kid, and
David
then
and I.
Carlos and David.
So then
Meanwhile,
David and I
Amanda, Tammy, Arthur,
Hold on. What was stopping you
Miss
guys?
Donna, David's mom.
What was stopping you
or
guys?
Tammy's
What
mom.
was stopping you guys from just playing Nerds? We did what we wanted to do. How come
We
you guys
wanted to
could-
play couples Nerds.
Yeah, but you could have played couples Nerds after we were done.
Excuse
it's
me.
Back to when you.
Bye.
And it automatically downloads everything and like puts it in a category and everything all onto my hard drive.
Peekaboo.
No? Not feeling that?
I just haven't been sleeping because
But then let's go to sleep. It's 8:50. Come on.
no, the Ocean has been
I will. But hold on. I will take care of Ocean, take Kingston, and go to sleep.
Okay, I might do that, but let me just finish up.
No. If you're that tired, baby, I got this.